Students, welcome to Srigandhi Maths Academy. SGS Srigandhi is here. In this video, we are going to learn a new topic of chapter matrices, that is algebra of matrices. The first topic is equality of matrices. Okay, let me see this topic. The two matrices are said to be equal if order of A is equal to order of B and second, corresponding elements of matrix A and B are same. Corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B are same. Symbolically, it is written as A is equal to B. Okay, our point is equality of two matrices. Let matrix A and matrix B are given two matrices. Then this matrix A and matrix B are said to be equal if it satisfies the two conditions. The first condition is that the order of matrix A is same as order of matrix B. Okay, and the second condition is that the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B are same. Then we say that these two matrices A and B are of equal. Okay, let me see one by one. Okay, the two matrices are said to be equal if order of A is equal to order of B and second, corresponding elements of matrix A and B are same. First we see the first condition. For that, let capital A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now observe these two matrices A and B. Here matrix A has two rows and two columns. Okay, therefore matrix A is of order 2 by 2. Similarly, matrix B has also two rows and two columns. Therefore order of matrix B is also 2 by 2. Therefore matrix A and matrix B satisfies the first condition. Okay, that is order of A is equal to order of B. Okay, therefore these two matrices satisfies our first condition. Now second condition is that the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B are same. Now observe this here. The corresponding element means what? A11 is equal to A11. These two elements. A12 is equal to A12. A21 is equal to A21. A22 is equal to A22. Now observe this corresponding elements. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Means here A11 entry of matrix A is same as A11 entry of matrix B. Similarly, A12 entry of matrix A is same as A12 entry of matrix B. Similarly, A21 entry of matrix A is same as A21 entry of matrix B, and also A22 entry of matrix A is same as A22 entry of matrix B. This implies the corresponding elements of both matrices A and B are same. Therefore, matrix A and matrix B are equal. Therefore, symbolically, these two matrices are written as A equal to B. A equal to B. Because matrix A and matrix B has same order and as well as corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B both are same. Therefore, we say that matrix A is equal to matrix B. Okay. Now, next we see, let for A is equal to 10, 14, 9, 8, B is equal to 10, 14, 9, 8 and C is equal to 10, 14, 8, 9. Okay. Now observe these three matrices A, B, C. Both has 2 rows and 2 columns. Therefore, order of matrix A, matrix B, and matrix C are 2 by 2. Okay, 2 by 2. Now, observe the elements of matrix A and matrix B. If we take corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B, then, okay, the first element is 10 in matrix A. A11 equal to 10. Here A11 equal to 10. A12 equal to 14. A12 equal to 14. A21 equal to 9. A21 equal to 9. And A22 equal to 8. A22 equal to 8. Therefore, these two matrices A and B are equal. Therefore, we write here A equal to B. Now, observe matrix B and matrix C. We will let the corresponding elements. A11 equal to 10, A11 equal to 10, A12 equal to 14, A12 equal to 14, A21 equal to 9, A21 equal to 8, A22 equal to 8, A22 equal to 9. Means in matrix B and C, the second row elements, corresponding elements in second row are different. Therefore, matrix B and matrix C are not equal matrices. They are the unequal matrices. Okay. Therefore, we write here A equal to B. B is not equal to C. Now, for A and C, A11 equal to 10, okay, A11 equal to 10, A12 equal to 14, A12 equal to 14, A21 equal to 9, A21 equal to 8, A22 equal to 8, A22 equal to 9. Also, in matrix A and matrix C, the second row corresponding entries are different. Therefore, here also these matrices A and matrix C are not equal matrices. They are the unequal matrices. Therefore, we write here also A is not equal to C. Okay. This is all about the equality of two matrices. Okay. Let me see one particular example of equality of matrices. Now, let me solve one particular example of equality of matrices. Here, two matrices are given. 2A minus B, 4 minus 7, 2 is the first matrix, and 1, 4, 7, A plus 3B is the second matrix. Also, it is given that these two matrices are equal. Okay, and we have to find the value of A and B. Let us see how to find the value of A and B. First, we write down the given part. Given matrix 2A minus B, 4 minus 7, 2 is equal to matrix 1, 4, 7 A plus 3B, 7 A plus 3B. Okay. Therefore, by equality of matrices, we get, what we get here? Okay, 2A minus B equal to 1 and A plus 3B equal to 2. Therefore, we write 2A minus B equal to 1, equation number 1, and A plus 3B is equal to 2, equation number 2. Now, we solve these two equations to get the value of A and value of B. Therefore, multiply equation 2 by a number 2 and subtract it from 1. Here we write here multiply equation 2 by 2. Why we multiply equation number 2 by 2? Because in equation number 1 a variable A is multiplied by a constant 2, but in equation number 2 a variable A has constant 1. Therefore, to get variable A as constant 2, we multiply this equation number 2 by a number 2, and then we subtract this new equation from equation number 1. Let us see. Therefore, 2A minus B equal to 1 minus 2 into A is 2A plus 2 into 3B is 6B is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now here we subtract 2A minus B equal to 1 minus 2A plus 6B equal to 4. Therefore, it will become 0 minus B minus 6B is minus 7B is equal to 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Therefore, we get minus 7B equal to minus 3. Therefore, B is equal to -3/-7. Why? Because -7 is multiple to a variable b. Therefore, after going towards right, it will be divided by this number -3. Therefore, b equal to -3/-7. Now minus minus become plus. Therefore, we get b equal to +3/7. Now we get value of b equal to 3/7. Now we use this value to get the value of b. Therefore, put b equal to 3/7 in equation number 2. Therefore, equation 2 becomes, put b equal to 3/7 in equation number 2. Therefore, equation 2 becomes okay, a plus 3b equal to 2, that is a plus 3 into, what is value of b? 3/7 into is equal to 2. Now here a plus 3 into b is equal to 2. In place of b, we put the value of b equal to 3/7. Therefore, this is equal to a plus, okay, now here the denominator of a is 1. Therefore, you multiply this a by 7 to get the same denominator of these two terms. Okay. Therefore, 7 into a is 7a plus 3 into 3 is 9 is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Therefore, 7a is equal to 14 minus 9. Therefore, 7a is equal to 14 minus 9 equal to how much? 9 plus 1 equal to 10 and 10 plus 4 equal to 14. Therefore, here 5. Therefore, a equal to, we get a is equal to 5/7, because 7 is multiple of a. After going towards right side, it will be divided by number 5. Therefore, a equal to 5/7. Okay. Therefore, we get, hence a value of a is equal to 5/7 and value of b is equal to 3/7. This is the solution of this example, to find the value of a and b if two matrices are equal.